to Meer Group, where unity fuels strength and success.
Founded in 2010, Meer Group began with a bold vision. Its founder, Shakeel Ahmad Meer, advised and invested in 12 startups in the UK and Scotland during seed and angel rounds, laying the foundation for a global powerhouse.
Today, Meer Group operates 50 portfolio businesses with a net worth of $1.2 billion and assets under management valued at $255 million. Meer Group unites 10,000 professionals through 120 strategic corporate alliances.
Meer Group's businesses span over many industries and geographies, starting from Asia, Middle East, Europe, and UK. Our model is very simple. We believe in innovative solutions and scalability. Meer Group has actually excelled in many industries such as e-commerce, automobiles, e-bikes, and real estate brokerage. But the new dawn has arrived. We have expanded into many new industries and we are making a mark over there, which are mining and manufacturing, real estate developments, and healthcare and hospitals, and all in line of Meer Group's Vision 2030.
Hello everyone, this is Syed Abdul Karim, CEO of Tradegate. So what is Tradegate? Tradegate is the first franchisee model of Meer Group launched globally. Tradegate stands on 3 pillars, which is train, trade and invest. And till now, with 5,000 students graduated and launched our own trading platform with 100 plus partners in our investment group. Whether it is a professional training program, whether it is a marketplace or investment opportunity.
This is the #1 car brand under the Meer Group in the UAE. We offer a wide range of new and used cars for every lifestyle and budget, knowing for quality, trust. Lease is a top choice for car lovers, for luxury cars to family SUV. We are changing the way people in the UAE buy cars with easy reliability and great options.
Meer Media Production quickly emerging as a creative force in the entertainment industry, with several successful films already launched with a vision to bring positive change in the world. Meer Media Production is bringing original stories to your screens with the aim to become world's leading content creation company.
MGI Prime Real Estate stands as a beacon in the real estate market in Dubai with over 20 years of expertise. We specialize in curating high-end luxury deals for our clients and homeowners alike. From stylish city apartments to luxury villas, our commitment to ensuring a seamless experience for our investors and homeowners alike.
Empowering the next generation of digital entrepreneurs. Parkzone stands as a leading platform who's providing different programs like Amazon, Noon, Shopify, and other courses. This institute is leading in the entire GCC market, and almost 5,000 students are graduated from our institute, and our experts providing hands-on experience to our students and make them as a professional entrepreneurs.
MGI Event is a premium event management company that based in Dubai, specializing wedding events, corporate events, and private gatherings. MGI Events transform your vision into reality with amazing planning and creative execution. Our dedicated team ensure each event is tailored to perfection, leaving lasting impression, cherished memories.
And this is just a beginning. Meer Group continues to grow, driving its impact across industries, with many more ventures leading its way to diversified and dynamic future.
Meer Group's Vision 2030. On one side, obviously there's profits involved. We are aiming to be one of the biggest organizations in the world value-wise. But what is close to my heart is the impact. When we talk about impact, we are aiming to impact directly or indirectly on the lives of 100 million people worldwide. So that's impact. There are projects which involve enabling youth. There are projects which involve enabling startups as well as people from different walks of the life. On the other side, environment, really important. If the big organization, the corporates, they don't pay attention to what is required for the environment, we are not going to achieve our targets and we will ruin our planet. So smart city projects. Smart city not only have AI technology built in, but also they are self-sustained. So all our real estate projects focus on sustainability, as well as the greater message. What I've learned in my life, whenever I try to benefit other people, public, that business flourishes. So this is the core value of a Meer Group. Work together with all walks of the people, but also do the projects which have good environmental impact as well as directly or indirectly impact the lives of the people to enable them. So overall, one of the biggest organization in the world, multi-billion-dollar valuation, that's the target. But the main target is the impact on the world, on the people's life, on the environment, and spread positivity. That's the simple target of Meer Group.
Meer Group, where purpose meets progress. Join the hive and let's shape a sustainable, prosperous future.
Meer Group, unifying strength.